Have you ever been with friends or at work and your phone lights up with a message on the lock screen? Even if you don't open it, others can see sometimes, read what it says, and that's something not you always want, right? That's something personal, or maybe it's just not for the everyone's eyes. So today I'll show you a quick way to hide your notifications on lock screen. It's simple and you don't have to turn off the notifications completely. Just hide what they say. So let's fix it. So open your phone and go to your settings. Then scroll down and you have to find notifications, or you can directly search in settings for lock screen notifications like that. From there you have to go to format, and from which you can select show all notifications and content. Show notification but hide content, and don't show lock screen notifications. If you want more privacy, you can choose the softwares from which you don't want notifications at lock screen. For example, like WhatsApp or any messaging software you are using currently. And now your messages and alerts stay private. Only you can read them whenever you will unlock your phone. And that's it. No more worrying about people's reading your messages on lock screen. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tech videos like that. And if you got any question, just drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. See you in the next one.